Good evening, everyone, and welcome to today's peer support, NGO volunteering, and social responsibility session with Skill Veda. We will learn two important life skills: how to support each other as friends and classmates, how we can help our community through social action. We will talk about teamwork, empathy, and why helping others actually help us grow too. You will also understand how NGO works and how students like you can create real impact even without money or big resources. This session is not about giving lectures. It is about sharing, doing activities, and learning to be responsible and caring citizens. Our team has worked hard to bring good mentors for you. So please be serious, keep your cameras on, and participate with an open mind. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Shilpi Bagla, our expert trainer, an educationist and consultant with more than 18 years of experience in education. She is all set to guide you through this learning journey. Welcome, Ms. Shilpi.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Twinkle ma'am, and thank you, Skill Veda, and the students for having me. I'll try my best to give your 60 minutes the value of your time. So today we are going to touch through different activities, the four things as Twinkle ma'am has said: peer support, NGO impact, emotional intelligence, and how to regulate your emotions through self-awareness. Okay, so these are very, very important things. You all have been hearing a lot about these AI and EI and things like that. But why is it so important? आखिर ऐसा होता क्या है इसमें कि इतना ज़्यादा important है? Right? Let's do an activity first of all. Okay. So the activity says, are you able to see my screen, and am I audible and visible
Yes,
to
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are your letters from the alphabet A to Z. We have given all the letters its respective numbers. Okay, let's talk about the first word, failure. तो जब failure को हमने marks दिया ना मेरा बच्चा, we have got 72. अब now 72 in this era of AI, is it going to give you anything? All right, no, that is actually not going to land you in to your dream job or things like that. So, failure. Then success. A person's success, everyone is craving for, everyone is manifesting for success. But still, success is only giving us 89. Such a magical activity I have found is that, your English letters and your maths totally is going to give us the game changing perspective. Now, knowledge to कहते हैं ना कि knowledge that if you are having a lot of degrees and you have gone to great university, you have scored good marks, then you are bound to be successful. Isn't it? Right? Up 12th hai, guys, right? So it is really going to be the deciding point for you all. So when we give marks to knowledge, we get 96. Still, we are left with that 4. It is not a perfect score yet. It is a great score for sure, but not a perfect one. Then which word is going to give us the perfect one? It's attitude. Simple attitude, your attitude towards your society, towards your peers, towards your own self, towards your inner circle, towards your parents, towards your relatives. The attitude that you are going to carry. Let me just give you a disclaimer. Attitude should not be confused with arrogance. ऑल राइट, ये तो हम लोग बहुत आसानी से बोल देते हैं बड़ा एटीट्यूड है, उसने बड़ा एटीट्यूड में रहता है. नो, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट एटीट्यूड. एटीट्यूड हियर मीन्स द वे you are presenting yourself, the way how well you know yourself. आपकी self awareness किस level की है, that is going to decide whether you are going to land up to your dream lifestyle or no. If you want to have 100 crores in your account, definitely you are going to get 100 crores. The only thing is physics ही हमें बताती है कि frequency जब same होती है ना तभी चीजें रिपल क्रिएट होता है. So if you are having the dream of having 100 crores in your account, guys, you need to work that much hard to match the frequency. चाहिए तुम्हें 100 crores, कर रहे हो काम तुम 1 लाख का. The frequency won't match. You are not going to get the result. Okay, so this is what बैंक बैलेंस में पैसे कम हो सकते हैं, घर छोटा हो सकता है, but your dreams should not be small. Your dream should not be confined to any kind of parameters or box. Mind is that intangible thing. कहीं पे भी जा सकता है. अभी तुम मेरी yapping सुन रहे हो, but you with your mind you can be standing in front of your Eiffel Tower with your crush, or you can be in front of the Big Ben. That's the beauty of mind. Mind is invincible. It is unstoppable, and that should be your attitude. अब देखो, एटीट्यूड इज नॉट समथिंग कि मैंने जादू की छड़ी जमाई और फिर वो आ गया, और इट इज एनी काइंड ऑफ मेडिसिन की 2 चम्मच सुबह, 2 चम्मच शाम को, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू हैव. इट इज नॉट एन ओवरनाइट फेम नेम. इट कम्स विथ ट्रायल एंड एरर. इट कम्स विथ प्रैक्टिस, कंसिस्टेंसी, परसिवरेंस. बहुत मुश्किल से आता है एटीट्यूड, और एक बार आ गया ना, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू settle for less. And that is exactly what you have to reach to the point. Your attitude is entirely going to be different from the others. Never let anyone else decide for you. Okay, so that's the very first activity. All right, what all things are we going to explore today? Peer support. We are not going to talk about competition. We are going to shift our perspective to collaboration. That's exactly what. See, guys, as the proverb says, no man's in an island. We are social animals. We need the support of others. All right. You guys say, I am independent. मुझे अकेला रहना पसंद है. एक दिन, 2 दिन, तीसरे दिन, चौथे दिन तुम भी जाकर कहीं से कुत्ता लेकर आओगे कि यार ये तो मेरा बडी है.
अरे
Right?
नहीं, वो ऐसी काफी.
चलिए यार, ठीक है.
सत्यम,
अगली क्लास सैटरडे होगी या फिर अगले हफ्ते होगी. सैटरडे का पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है तो होगी.
Quite,
अगली क्लास
लगता है सत्यम ने पूरे के पूरे फ्रेंड गैंग्स को यहीं पे बुला लिया, right? Okay, that's cool. Okay, so we have to shift our attitude from competition to collaboration. Now, a competition is also very important, but it has to be constructive, not cutthroat. गला काट के दूसरों के ऊपर चढ़ के ऊपर चलने का कोई भी मजा नहीं है. All right. Then the second thing is the NGO and the society. All right. What is it that these NGOs are doing, and how are they beneficial to you? See, there are no free lunches in life. If you are investing your efforts, if you are investing your time, it has to give you also something in return. So what is it going to be for you? That we are going to discuss. उसके बाद फिर आता है इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. आखिर ऐसा क्या, ये कौन सी चिड़िया का नाम है? एवरीवन एवरी टाइम इज टॉकिंग अबाउट EI. AI के जमाने में EI अभी भी चल रहा है. So we'll be talking आखिर what is it. Then comes self-awareness. Okay, so we'll be doing a lot of activities knowing this. For self-awareness, a link of a personality test was being shared in the group. It is 16 PF test. All right. So 16 personality factors test. It is having 180 questions. बहुत simple सा test है. Statements है, उसमें आपको choose करना है always, never या sometimes में, and that is going to give you the score, and your personality is going to be divided into 16 factors. It's an interesting personality test. You'll come to know about yourself. Yes, let's keep the human error of about 10 to 50. बहुत सारे questions में ना तुम भी लोग सच नहीं बोलोगे. All right, so that is also going to change the score. Okay, so I don't stick to that कि उसने ऐसा कहा है तो फिर ऐसे होगा. No. But at least a rough idea. The skeleton will be created. Fleshing can be done afterwards. Then there are fun activities. Good to go, guys? Right? Let's talk about peer support. All right, chalo. सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ at your age, you all are adolescents right now, okay? So parents are your biggest enemies and your friends are your biggest family right now. ये सब है, all right? अब हाँ ना बोलोगे, that is a different issue. At the core of your heart, you know this. Okay, मम्मी आप नहीं समझोगे, all right? पापा को मत बताना, वो नहीं समझेंगे. मेरा मेरा बच्चा, I am also a mother of a rebel. All right, so मैं तो दिन रात यही सुनती हूँ. So it comes straight from the heart of a mother. Okay, absolutely right. You are absolutely right. There is no need, because you generation, you don't like to be told what to do. अच्छा, secondly, जो आपके parents होंगे, जो आपके बड़े होंगे, even though their intentions are pure, pious, and very productive for you, but उनका process शायद आपसे नहीं match करेगा, right? Because we come from that era जहाँ पे हमने question नहीं करा था. अगर मुझसे ये कहा गया था थर्सडे को शैम्पू नहीं करना है, ओके मम्मा नहीं करना है. Especially मेरा बेटा थर्सडे को ही शैम्पू करता है. All right, so because I have never questioned. All right, and he has told me the logical fundamental. Mama, this has nothing to do with any of the energy vibrations and anything. This is just pure superstition. समझ में आ गया, चलो बुद्धि में आ गया. Absolutely right. But many a times you also have to understand, आपके जो peers हैं, जो आपके confidants हैं, जो आपके friends हैं, वो भी तो आप ही की एज के हैं. All right, so उनका experience तुम्हारे experience से कितना ज्यादा हो जाएगा? Maybe many of your friends might have, visited certain countries, so they might be having a little bit of more knowledge about traveling and the airport etiquette and things like that. Okay, so ये याद रखना, somewhere or the other, it is you and your attitude who has to decide between the two. शेयर करो फ्रेंड से, सजेशन लो बड़ों से, दिमाग अपना लगाओ. Because the experience that you are gaining from your friends, it is coming from the same age group. जितने साल के तुम हो, उतने साल के वो भी हैं. Okay, so the people with similar experiences offer each other emotional help, practical info. All right, अब तुम्हारा इस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा emotional trauma क्या है? 12th के marks. You have to prove yourself. That's an emotional trauma. That has become an emotional trauma. All right, many of you are still finding the identity crisis. अगर कोई भी पूछ लेता है ना, कोई भी पड़ोस की चाची, ताई, बुआ, मासी या फिर नेबर पूछता है ना, और बेटा 12th के बाद क्या करने का मन है, मुंह पे तो नहीं बोलते हो, बट मन तो यही होता है ना कहने का, आपको क्या करना है? It has nothing to do with you. All right, मन तो होता है कहने का, but you are not able to speak for sure because the social conditioning of showing the manners and not giving the answers back in. All right. So this is what is peer support. The people coming from अब ये याद रखना, peer does not mean the same age. Peer means the same group of people with the same kind of niche that you are looking for. इसलिए guys, knowledge and money has become second currency. The first currency is networking. The first currency now is networking. Start networking. Not on Instagram sending random requests and DMs and all. No. Actually, the people who are going to help you and the people whom you can help. That is going to be your peer. That is why it is known as peer support, not peer company. Am I making myself clear? Am I making sense to you all, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, why it matters for you? As class 11th and 12th students, you face exam, career stress, social pressure. Peer support creates a safe space. I am a psychology teacher. I listen to all the yapping, rona dhona of my class 12th. उनकी relationship problems होती है. Ma'am, I am really sad because I've been betrayed. My boyfriend is doing benching. वो ये कर रहा है. Seriously, I mean, they open their heart like anything. उसके बाद मैम हंसो मत अरफा, सच में है, हाँ, दिस इज नॉट समथिंग आई एम मेकिंग अप, ऑलराइट, jokes are apart. So, and then they come up with this ki, ma'am, I would like to become this, but my family is not understanding. That is also identity crisis. Sweethearts, you are not wrong, but you have to understand that no one else can take decision for you. Don't give that power to anyone. Yes, find peers who can listen to you. Man halka kar lo, but not beyond that. Because again, the experiences that you have, imagine Kumkum taking the relationship advice from Rudraksh, who has got 4 breakups in the past. It's irony, it's ironic, right? तो कैसे काम चलेगा, बट या वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस से तुम्हें बता तो देगा कि हाँ ये चीजें होती है. नाउ शी हैज टू टेक हर ओन डिसीजन. नाउ कम्स peer versus professional help. Peers are also going to have the contacts with the people who can professionally help you. All right, so professionals are not going to be there 24/7, but peers are always there. Hanji Rudraksh, so who is your 3 a.m. buddy to call? Raat ko 3 baje.
I
Who is
sleep at 10. I sleep.
That's a metaphor, mera beta. That who is your SOS number?
He is an
No
ideal
one.
child who sleeps at 10 nowadays.
Yeah, Rudraksh, ideal. Okay, all right. Chalo, Kumkum, who is the, that, what should I say, the notorious one then? Kumkum, who is your SOS number?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Mama
my
nahi
friend,
hai.
one of my friend.
Okay, one of
One
your
of my-
friends. All right. Hanji
Yeah.
Ishani, who is your SOS friend?
My best friend.
Your best friend. किसी ने कभी किसी टीचर को फोन करा है, किसी मेंटोर को फोन करा है, किसी बुआ या चाची को फोन करा है? कभी नहीं. So that is what the peer support, because you know that they are there for you. You know that they feel you. You know that they are going to support you. They are going to understand. And that is why it is essential to have the peer support. Again, telling you, your biggest challenge after 12th will be to make a group of yours in a new environment that is going to be your new university or the college you'll be going. All right, so please अपनी personality से वो चीज निकालो that you are socially comfortable to talk to stranger, the art of small talks. You all have done communication skills, you all have done public speaking skills, PD चीज करा है. Now it is going to be for you to learn the art of small talk. I'll give you certain strategies. Small talk always starts from, like, either it has to be you need to start from yourself, or a question, or complimenting someone. That's an icebreaker. Okay, for example, Kumkum, how did we start the meeting? What a lovely face, right? So that was the instant connect. Simple. All right, you can always compliment them. Oh, the new Jordans, nice mobile case, कुछ भी चीजें. ये आपके observation skills को भी दिखाती हैं. And that's where you have melted the ice and the other person instantly is really at ease. If you have that thing of being witty and funny in a very harmless manner, always crack a joke. But if you can, ये नहीं है कि किसी पॉलिटिकल या फिर किसी रेसिस्ट वाली चीज पे करो. नो, अब मेलेडी की बातें करना मत स्टार्ट कर देना. All right, so that is not going to be right. Okay, that is not going to be politically right in this scenario. So that's how the art of small talk goes. Okay. All right, so support. What qualities make someone easy to talk to? Everyone has to answer, because हमारे पास, we have candidates who can connect with us. So जल्दी जल्दी बताते जाओ. You can always write in the chat box as well. Okay.
Ma'am, someone who can relate to the person, who has the ability to talk something which is relatable to something.
मेरा बेटा, I am so sorry, but I couldn't hear your answer. थोड़ा सा loud बोलेगा बच्चे, speaker के पास आके.
Ma'am, the person who can relate.
Who can relate? All right. So the person who feels you. Absolutely right. Yes. Aditya, Arfa, Rudraksh, Kumkum, batao jaldi jaldi. What is one thing that makes it easy to talk to?
For me, if I know that person, it is easy for me to talk.
Acha, knowledge or the similarity or the familiarity with that person. So you will be good to go. All right. Yes. Others? Do we have anything in the chat box? I'll just
The
activate.
person who can relate and understand our emotion.
Oh my God. Okay, emotions and this absolutely. Otherwise, दीवार से ही बात कर लें या फिर मैं भी अपने German Shepherd से बात कर लूं. We need human touch. We need that human feeling. Absolutely. So the person who understands. सबसे पहली चीज होती है the person who hears, who listens to you. Right? Before interrupting, giving the suggestions, giving the advice, humans क्या चीज होते हैं, तुम्हारी एज के बच्चे ना बड़े ही मजेदार होते हैं. उन्हें ना बड़ा कॉलर्स अप हो जाता है अगर कोई उनसे अपनी कहानी वो करे. मतलब all of a sudden ना there is a very positive vibrations around. Oh my God, वो ना मुझसे अपनी प्रॉब्लम शेयर करिए. I might be something worth it. So you have already put that person on a pedestal. So this is exactly what you have to do. Have the art of listening and non-interruptive conversation. Only speak when that person is ready for you to speak or that person has spoken. And absolutely right, the person who understands you, the person who is related, right? For example, अब मैं बात कर रही हूँ यार, पता है I bought a top from Zara and it is not getting returned because of the size and all. और फिर दूसरा आता है, तुझे पता है आज मैंने कोल्ड कॉफी का दूसरा फ्लेवर बताया था. तुम्हें लगता है कि मेरा दूसरा सेंटेंस होगा मेरी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में? That person has totally disregarded my feelings. मेरा ज़ारा का टॉप मुझे फिट नहीं आ रहा है. That's the biggest trauma in my life right now. और वो अपनी कोल्ड कॉफी या फिर माचा का नया फ्लेवर बता रही है. That is so irrelevant. That is so disregarding. So yes, we need such kind of people who are always there. Please, please, please have yourself surrounded by people who uplift you. All right, who are always going to be there. I'll just do one activity. इसी में कर लूंगी. मुझे annotation चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. Yeah. So it is here. So I am just drawing on the screen only. Okay. Is it visible with red color, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So tell me, what is it according to you? बताओ क्या क्या चीजें आप कर सकते हो? क्या क्या है ये? बोलो क्या है? Come on.
Letter B.
It is letter B. Then
13, 1 and
13
3.
cause it is not
13,
1
then
and 3.
Then भाई मैकडोनल्ड्स का उल्टा साइन भी हो सकता है, आधी बटरफ्लाई भी हो सकती है. Why not? Right? Anything. But what if? So we are all confused कि ये आखिर actually में है क्या? All right, but now I am surrounding it with this. अब उसकी आइडेंटिटी क्लियर हो गई कि ये बी ही है.
Alphabet.
Yes,
ABC. Right? This is exactly
Yes,
what
ma'am.
peers do to you. If you are going to surround yourself with good company, you are going to be considered good. If you are going to be surrounded by company which is not going to take out the best version out of you. I did a test of psychology with my students. मैंने उनसे कहा कि I'll be giving you a lot of examples, okay? क्योंकि this is something very, very, very much needed. Okay, so उसमें क्या था that they have to go and interview the friends of one person to know about him or her. And उसके बाद फिर वो उस बंदा या बंदी के पास जाकर वही questions पूछेंगे. And you know what? The friends told totally the different answers than that person, because that person was all about, अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोलना. तुझे क्या चीज करना पसंद है यार? मुझे तो ना रीडिंग एंड वॉचिंग मोटिवेशनल पॉडकास्ट ये सब पसंद है. फ्रेंड ने कहा जब देखो तो नेटफ्लिक्स करता रहता है, शिनचान देखता है. Okay, so your friends are going to tell your real self. So you need to surround yourself. That is the importance of peer support. Got it, everyone? Yep. Okay. Chalo, are you all aware about each other? Are you from
Not
the-
everyone, ma'am, few of them.
Not everyone, but some of you. Okay, all right. So one person in the group shares a recent challenge or a worry. चलो बताओ कौन सा challenge और problem है तुम्हारी life में right now? Is it about the weight management, your image management, your academics, your subject choices, your college choices? क्या चीज है बताओ? Tell me. Yes, finally I am able to see Arfa. So Arfa, on you right now, what is the challenge that you are facing? अब यार वो 40 degrees of heat मत बताना. That is global. That is Indian
There are
issue.
2-3 challenges. First of all, it's summer vacation time. I'm very lazy, and academics is also one thing. Like, because right now I'm not studying at all.
Okay, oh, that's okay. That is not known as quitting. That is known as constructive break. Okay, manipulate, euphemism use करना सीखो. Negativity को किस तरह से positivity में लाते हैं. All right. Okay, so Ishani, now Arfa has shared her concerns. अब आप बताओ, that sounds like it feels. बताओ, what is going to be your validation without judging her? अगर ये अरफा ने आपसे शेयर करा हो तो आप उसे क्या आंसर दोगे? बताओ. मुझे परफेक्ट आंसर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे प्रोग्रेसिव आंसर चाहिए. Yeah.
So you should be managing it like slowly. You should work on it, honestly. That's the thing.
शानी, अरफा तुम्हारे पास दोबारा नहीं आएगी पूछने के लिए. The answer should be, seems like we both are sailing in the same boat. But recently, I just watched a podcast or read a book which has really motivated me. And one step at a time, I have read Atomic Habits recently. So one step at a time, I have started getting up 1 hour early than my usual time. That's it. Suggestion भी दे दिया और अपना भी थोड़ा सा बता दिया और उसे एक आइडिया भी दे दिया, that one thing at a time. That should be the reflection. All right. Okay. So वही बात है ना, should मत बताया करो. What should be done? Modals तो सबने किए हैं, being the 12th का syllabus, right? You could also, could और would में रहा करो. You could do this. You would do this if you are motivated, and that's how it works. Okay, so peers में भी ना बातें बड़ी नाप तोल के करना, नहीं तो friends with benefits ही हो जाते हैं बाकी सारे. Okay, so others cannot interfere, and it is really, really important to hear the other person. That is what peer support is all about. Okay, let's come to our next thing. NGO, you all are knowing the why am I not able to? Yeah, NGO, you all know that it is a non-government organization. All right. Akhir, what is it for you if you become a part of it? It is a non-profit group that operates independently of government to address social, environmental, and humanitarian needs. ठीक है? सबसे पहले ना प्रॉब्लम ढूंढना सीखो कि प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है और फिर उसका सॉल्यूशन दो. I'll be giving you the example. Have you all heard about Urban Clap company? Urban Clap क्या है? उस कंपनी की यूनिकनेस क्या है? बताओ.
हम सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है.
सर्विस प्रोवाइड करती है, राइट. मसाज वाली आ जाएगी, काम वाली आ जाएगी, इलेक्ट्रिशियन आ जाएगा, प्लम्बर आ जाएगा, यही सब तो है. There are two founders of Urban Company. Okay, so I know them personally. That's why it is straight from the horse's mouth. The story is actually true. So अब उन्हें बिजनेस करना था, उन्हें स्टार्टअप करना था, बट आइडिया ही नहीं था कि करें क्या आखिर. So do you know Delhi Saket? Do you know Saket Mall जहाँ पे एप्पल
Yes,
का
ma'am.
स्टोर खुला हुआ है, राइट? एंड टॉम कुक्स आया था उसका इनॉग्रेशन करने. So there for 1 month, from 11 a.m. till 8 p.m., those two founders, for 1 month, guys, I am talking about 1 month, they were there and just asking the people what is the problem that they face at home, what is the problem that they are facing in their lives. And most of them came up with this, यार मेड नहीं आती है तो बड़ी आफत होती है, प्लम्बर का काम होता है तो वी हैव टू सर्च फॉर द नंबर्स, इलेक्ट्रिशियन नहीं आता है तो एसी नहीं होता है तो फिर सोते नहीं है, नेक्स्ट डे ऑफिस में जाते हैं. So they came up with this idea that they are having the problems of the people with skills who are not able to repair, they are not having the contacts, and then Urban Club came into existence. The name itself, Urban City Problem. Clap. In an instant, you have just put it and the service is there. From there, the idea came. Find the idea, how to get the idea. Okay? So you need to come up. Yes, there are NGOs. अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे, I am going to have an NGO of dogs. I am a dog lover, hardcore dog lover. Okay, so that is going to be my purpose. Everyone is going to have their own purpose. अब अपने purpose को जानने के लिए सबसे पहले अपने आप को जानना है. So there are 4 categories that you can come up with. Environment, where you can have tree plantation, waste management, renewable energy, right? Plastic से सड़कें बन रही हैं with the plastic blocks. अगर साउथ की आपने न्यूज पढ़ी होगी. Education, free schools, that's what Kumkum came up with it. डिजिटल लिटरेसी प्रोग्राम्स, अगर आप ओल्ड एज होम में जाओगे, आप उन्हें गूगल पे सिखा सकते हो, उन्हें थोड़ा बहुत जो कि उनके काम की चीज है, that can be there. Scholarship and the mentoring, you can always guide them how to go ahead with this. Health के लिए free medical camps. If you have become a doctor, always go ahead with the free medical camps. Mental health, oh my God, this is something, China में cancer patient has ordered the food, ठीक है? उसके बाद intentionally उसने उस delivery boy को 2 घंटे अपने पास बिठाया because he never wanted to eat the food alone. And now the delivery boy every day is getting the food, and that delivery boy is so empathetic कि वो कभी उसके लिए flower ले आएगा, कभी छोटा सा stuffed toy keychain ले आएगा just to bring that smile. So we all are so alone also, and we all want that social human interaction also. So that can be there. Then nutrition drives for children. अपने ही स्कूल में fruit break करा लो, or just have the awareness program about the personal hygiene things. Then comes the empowerment, women's rights and skill training. Then comes disability support. जो थोड़े से स्लो लर्नर्स होते हैं उनके लिए हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा वर्कशीट या एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज ला सकते हैं. एंड देन एल्डरली केयर प्रोग्राम्स व्हिच वी हैव टॉट कि आप जाकर उनकी कहानियां सुन लो. नाउ हाउ आर दीज? ये तो हो गया एनजीओ, ये सब चीजें होती हैं, ठीक है. बट व्हाट इज इट दैट इट इज देयर फॉर यू? तुम्हारे लिए क्या है? करियर एडवांटेज. इट इज द बिगेस्ट highlight on your resume, on your curriculum vitae. The biggest highlight. And this comes from a personal experience. Many of my known students and family kids wanted to go for international universities. उन्होंने यहाँ पर एक संकल्प इंस्टीट्यूट है which is for the handicapped kids. They have done the voluntary program there and it is the highlight there. So it is you are going to get to the top colleges, your dream college, skill development. अब आप वहां पर जाकर उन्हें टिपिकल टॉपिक्स ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी या डिमांड सप्लाई या इक्वालिटी इक्वल ये सब तो बताओगे नहीं, आप उन्हें सिंपल चीजें ही तो बताओगे. This is going to bring the communication skills out of you. Then project management. How are you managing the project? For example, अब किस तरह से स्टार्ट हुआ था. I'll tell you the story that is going to give you the clear picture of this. So, Sankalp is an NGO of handicapped kids. तो उन्हें क्या चीज करना होता है, उन्हें बस ये हमें इतना इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना है कि कोई उन्हें ये ना कहे that they are specially abled kids. So it was the day of making halwa, सूजी का हलवा. It was 15th August, तो मीठा बनाना था. अब पता है कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ. अरफा, अगर सूजी का हलवा बनाना है तो आप किचन में जाओगे and then you are going to start making. Simple, right? But उन बच्चों के लिए उन्हें कढ़ाई दिखाई कि this is wok. उसके बाद उन्हें स्पेचुला दिखाया, उन्हें घी का मेजरमेंट दिखाया, उन्हें सूजी दिखाया, चीनी दिखाया, पानी बताया. And then for how long they have to roast the suji and when do they have to add. एक step was detailed. Everything was shown and everything was spoken. That's how the project and the communication skills got highlighted. And this is how you can come up with doing things stepwise. We assume कि सामने वाले को पता होगा, but सामने वाले को नहीं पता होगा. And this is the biggest skill. If you can break down the task into different steps, into chunks. Mental well, you know that helping others is always going to give you that satiation and peace of mind. That is for sure. All right. If you are going to help someone, it is actually going to take out those. It works as a stress busters. That is what. Network and connection. NGOs, they are having the best of the networks, guys. Best. Government के होते हैं, political होते हैं, ministers होते हैं, सबसे अच्छे network होते हैं. If you are going to volunteer, you have entered the most powerful network of your city. Values and identity. करते रहोगे ना तो आपको पता चलता है, okay, this is my thing. I can, create something out of this. So that's how the NGO helps you. Community belonging. All right, you have the feeling that you belong to the community. You are doing something. Okay, I'll give you one more example. So there is one. Okay, these are not sponsored. I am just telling you from my own experience. So there is one organization, NRINUM. Nri Nam. So this is an organization which makes saris, jewelries, सब कुछ cotton का होता है. And the ladies who are making there, they are the widows of the army and the navy officers. जो कि 2-tiered army and navy officers होते हैं ना, उनकी widows हैं. They might be getting some kind of compensation from Government of India, but it might not be enough. So they would like to become financially independent. And beautiful work they are doing. So if you buy from them, you are contributing something to the community, to the organization. And that's how it works. So एक अच्छी feeling आती है. लोगों के बीच में कहना अच्छा लगता है कि पता है मैंने ये वहां से लिया है. So that's how. All right, so what is going to be your dream NGO? Kumkum has said that she would like to uplift the underprivileged kids for the education. Anyone who can think about?
Ma'am, I want to help in healthcare.
Healthcare, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. Yes. Arfa, Rudraksh, Satyam.
Education.
Education. All right, good. So you all know the importance of education, right? So I am meeting or dealing with the district toppers right now, who are going to be the district toppers. Because if you know the value of education, you are definitely going to give your 100% for sure. Right? किसी और के दिमाग में कोई idea आ रहा है? Think about it if you have to open an NGO. All right.
Animal help,
Yes.
street animal rescue.
All right. Street animal rescue. I am with you, Rudraksh. मैं भी volunteer करूंगी तुम्हारी NGO में for sure.
Cause I just told that cause I just rescued a little male cow, or you can say ox. It was having some maggots in its ears, so I just captured and used medical things to sort it.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Right
यार
now,
मुझे
before this meeting.
हाँ मतलब I want to help, but ना मुझे खुद बहुत डर लगता है उन्हें छूने में. So this can be taken care of by you, and the background support I can give you, right? Yes, Sukriti, कुछ बोलेगी मेरा बच्चा? अमर ने तो ऑडियो
ma'am.
भी ऐड करा. Yep. Sukriti, something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any kind of
Ma'am.
NGO idea that is coming to your mind?
Ma'am, I also want to develop an NGO or give a fund to an NGO which is
Absolutely, yeah.
help children, poor children, for their education or empowerment.
Oh, that's good. That's good. A lot of my youngsters and the future generation is into education and helping the underprivileged kids. That's wonderful to hear that, right? Okay, so let's talk about the emotional intelligence. Okay, so how well do you know yourself? How well do you know yourself? Chalo, what triggers you guys? गुस्सा किस चीज पर आता है बताओ. रुद्राक्ष को गुस्सा नहीं आता? Okay, all right. Oh, that's cool. How I wish यार मैं भी ये चीज कर सकती. मुझे तो हर चीज पे गुस्सा आता है. Yes. Satyam, tell me, गुस्सा
Ma'am,
किस पे आता है?
plans
तुमको?
are not going, ma'am, when my plans are not going according to me, that time those are those
Madam Ji,
moments.
Madam Ji, that is an unrealistic
Nowadays, this is the
expectation.
main thing of the anger in kids.
Imagine,
Parents,
मतलब,
no, parents are not listening them. This is the anger.
Madam, it has to be the other way around.
It should be vice versa, but now it's opposite. Parents are not listening me, so I will be angry with them. Good.
हाँ. अच्छा ठीक है, तो फिर जब आप गुस्सा होते हो तो do you isolate yourself or do you throw tantrums, you start shouting, क्या रिएक्शन होता है? आप तो समझते ही नहीं हो, मुझे नहीं बात करनी है आपसे, मैं तो जा रही हूँ रूम में, and then everything is blocked. Yes.
No lunch, no dinner.
हाँ,
You
कुछ
have
नहीं
to-
खाएंगे, हाँ, कुछ नहीं खाएंगे, हंगर
हाँ,
स्ट्राइक
ब-
कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, बाहर से ऑर्डर कर देंगे, बट घर का नहीं खाएंगे.
Absolutely. All right. See, that's really good. Jokes are apart. At least तुम्हें पता है कि अगर पेरेंट्स आपका सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, क्योंकि that means you are closest to them. They are closest to you. किसी अपने की ना सुनना सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है. कोई बाहर का बोलेगा तो कोई फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. All right, but जब अपने करते हैं, so that this is an indication that you are really bonded with your parents. All right, so take it this way. But guys, you also have to understand this. We being parents, हमें किसी ने parenting नहीं सिखाई है. हम भी ट्रायल और एरर पे ही चलते जा रहे हैं. हम भी बस करते हैं, अच्छा ये चीज गलत हो गई, उसके बाद सही करते हैं. So please have that kind of forgiveness in you for us, right? हमें भी नहीं समझ में आता, कोई सी किताब, कोई सिलेबस नहीं था पेरेंटिंग पर. Okay, so like we are also trying to do our best, but एक चीज समझना, intentions हमारे हमेशा अच्छे होते हैं. Okay, so self-awareness is all about knowing yourself. Then comes self-regulation. अपने impulsives और reactions को थोड़ा सा tweak करो. I am not saying control or stop. That is not. Suppression is not the key, guys. Not the suppression. The key is tweaking it. Reaction should be responses. And responses always and always are a delayed answer. 5 seconds. For example, ताली बजाई, एकदम से ब्लिंक करा, दैट्स अ रिफ्लेक्स. ओके, बट रोड रेज, सामने से चल रहे हैं, ओके, और कोई आ गया, ओए दिखाई नहीं देता या, ओके फाइन फाइन, ओके, मे बी दैट पर्सन इज एक्चुअली हैविंग अ लॉट ऑन देयर माइंड. थोड़े से एम्पैथेटिक बनो भाई, प्लीज देख ले. देर दोनों ही तरह से आपने उसका अटेंशन सीक करा जस्ट टू टेल हिम दैट ही इज डूइंग रॉन्ग. But your tone, your choice of words are going to. This is known as self-regulation. Inner drive. There are two kinds of motivation: extrinsic and intrinsic. Extrinsic, दूसरे को देखकर, ओए उसने तो जॉर्डन लिए हैं, मैं भी लूंगा पापा से लेकर. All right, that's an extrinsic. Intrinsic, उसने जॉर्डन लिए हैं, but I am going to earn my Jordans. I am going to get 95 and above, और उसके बाद मांगूंगा. That's the motivation. Empathy, please, please, please. अगर time allow करता, I would have done a beautiful activity with you on empathy, but that takes a bit of time. Please understand. कितने आराम से बोलते, पागल है क्या तू, समझ में नहीं आ रहा ये. ओके यार, नहीं समझ में आया. तुम लोगों की जेनजी लैंग्वेज तो वैसे भी नहीं समझ में आती है. It takes a bit of time for us to, digest it, understand it. Please
मुझे भी नहीं
understand.
आती मैम.
मुझे भी नहीं आती यार. चल, give me high five for
I
this.
feel Rudraksh, you are not of Gen Z type person.
That's good, yaar. That's good.
I feel he is out of this generation.
I am not a big fan of these Gen Zs.
Same here.
मुझे सबसे अच्छी चीज एक ही इनकी लगती है, that they are open to experiences. अगर उन्हें माइग्रेट करना हो तो वो चले जाएंगे, वो किसी के बारे में सोचेंगे नहीं. They speak their mind. This is one thing I really want to learn from.
But they are emotionally less. What I feel, empathy is missing in now.
They are screenagers, ma'am. They are no more teenagers. They are screenagers.
The social media is impacting them a lot, actually. What I feel is
a lot. All right. So, Kumkum, what is your algorithm? क्या आता है तुम्हारी न्यूज फीड में? What is there on your Instagram post and all? बताओ, share करो if you can, if it is not too personal.
Ma'am, first of all, I don't have Insta.
Oh wow! Oh my God! Twinkle ma'am, ये तो
Wow.
बहुत
Yes, ma'am.
very nice, yeah, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे ज्यादा नोटी तो यानी मैं ही और ट्विंकल मैम है यहाँ पर.
हमारी क्लास लगनी चाहिए पहले तो.
Anyone who would like to share their news feed? What kind of things do you get? Yes, Arfa, Ishani.
So ma'am, I don't have Insta, but on YouTube I like news is more about news is what's happening in the country, like for
Wow.
UPSC and for NEET
That's the
exam.
best thing which we have heard in the last few days. Ki kids don't have Insta account. Literally, it's surprising.
That is so good. Satya, movies, animes, and games. Good. So this is all social skills bhi aane chahiye. Guys, see, we are not against this, but yeah, the usage has to be time. अभी 12th में नहीं है तो मत रखना, बाद में तुम्हें भी चाहेगा. Please don't take it the other way.
मेंटोर जी, आप ये गाइड मत करो. हमारे मेंटोर जी ये गाइड कर दे.
That is what, it comes with this disclaimer. Use it responsibly.
Yeah,
this is not the time for you to get it. But then if it is used in a sensible way, then it is a power in your own hand. That is for sure. Okay. So, who said, Ishani said that YouTube में you are getting all news. यही एक टॉपिक है जो कि मेरे एल्गोरिथम में कभी नहीं आएगा. I am least interested in what is happening around the world. I am not at all a news person. Okay, so but that's what we all are. Chalo. So activity 3, the emotion charades. Am I can I send them the personal message? Is it possible for me to chat personally? If okay, Arfa,
Yeah, you can.
I think I can, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So All right, so the activity is, let's see how good are you in expressing your emotions. So I'm sending an emotion to Arfa. She is going to enact in front of you all, and then you have to guess that what kind of emotion is it. Okay? All right, chalo.
I'm actually quite bad at it.
It's okay, koi baat nahi. Who is
Let's try. Let's
who
try.
is judging you? No one is, right? Chalo. उसके बाद फिर I'll be taking, yep. अरफा हंस मत यार अब
हाँ, how
नहीं
do
तो
I show
confusion होगा।
that?
अब वो रिएक्शन तो बताइए।
नहीं लेकिन ये नहीं है ना रिएक्शन, हंस मत हो।
अच्छा
Okay.
अभी है ही नहीं वो रिएक्शन।
अभी है नहीं, अभी आएगा। मैं कैसे शो करूँ it?
Come on.
She's excited actually. That's why she's smiling.
Right. Okay, so I'm going to try. How do I do that? I don't know.
You can also speak up a sentence or so. That is also okay.
Online Damsharas. Yes,
Ah,
Rudraksh,
yes,
it's
it is,
online.
it is.
Okay, wait. I will say something. Wait. Give me time.
Okay, chalo. Rudraksh, I am sending you all, okay? You can use phrases and sentences also, guys. That's absolutely fine. Yeah. Rudraksh, this is for you. Everyone, please check on because I am sending randomly.
Ma'am, I have a question first.
यार तुम
Yeah.
फिर वो बताओ अच्छा क्वेश्चन क्या है बताओ
I don't
Okay,
know what you saying,
okay,
what it is.
hang on. Got it. What is your question? I am just going to give you the clarity. Just a second. Yeah. Okay, Rudraksh, I am sending you. Chal, ठीक है? I know this is quite difficult for you. Arfa, जल्दी से बताओ. You can use phrases also. जरूरी नहीं है कि it has to be dumb. It is not dumb. It is emotion charades. Emotion में तो मुंह से चीजें भी निकलती है, गुस्सा भी तो आता है. अपनी मातृभाषा में जो हम लोग गुस्सा निकालते हैं वही तो you know सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Come on. I have sent to 3.
Arfa, can we start with you now?
अच्छा चलो Arfa. Okay. Rudraksh,
Are you ready, Rudraksh?
तुमको
I haven't got details.
Acha, okay. What details he wants exactly, Shilpi ji?
I don't know. So you please write in the chat. What all details? Mera beta, you can speak a
Okay, I'm
Bollywood
saying one
dialogue also.
sentence.
Yeah,
and that's
sentence
the-
बोलो, Bollywood
Okay.
dialogue बोलो, कुछ भी.
No, not dialogue. I'm gonna say
नहीं,
मतलब
जो
बहुत
draft
easy
के लिए.
sentence है. They will understand. She got a new bike, and I'm still stuck with my old one.
Ah, good one. Anyone who would like?
Jealousy?
Ma'am,
Jealousy,
jealousy. Jealousy.
Yes, ma'am, you are right.
Jealousy. All right. चलो, रुद्राक्ष बताओ अब. You can use the statement also. Kumkum.
Okay.
Are you both ready, Rudraksh and Kumkum? If
अब जल्दी बताओगे नहीं तो फिर ट्विंकल मैम मेरा सेशन शॉर्टन अप कर देंगी.
Okay, ma'am, I'm trying.
yeah.
That's a cute one. Yeah, anyone who would like to guess?
What do it again? I thought you were saying something.
No,
Yeah, do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exhausted, tired.
Angry.
Angry, absolutely. It is throwing tantrums and
As
then-
a tantrums, okay.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Rudraksh,
Rudraksh.
We do like that only in hostel. She's my roommate.
Okay, that's why Alpha guessed it.
Yes, ma'am, she's my roommate. does like that only.
Okay.
Rudraksh, come on.
Uh,
Bollywood
probably
actor.
on a probably on a Korean series where the guy who is the CEO of big
Okay.
company,
एक तो यार ये के
CEO of big
ड्रामा
company,
तुम्हारे
and
ये
के
क्रेज
ड्रामा
है
से
बच्चों का
2-3 चीज आ
कोरियन
रही है मेरे
ड्रामा.
दिमाग में.
I don't know from where they get this craze for Korean drama.
I also don't watch. And
Or
sometimes means one
Rudraksh,
or
you are
two.
I
not Gen
watch,
Z.
but
You are
repeat your
different.
sentence again.
Acha, pata hai, you know what? Okay, guys, just let me give you a clue. Whatever I have given to Rudraksh, he is totally opposite. All right, no, bilkul opposite hai. So now you can very well.
Serious.
Chalo batao.
Serious.
Gen Z.
Nahi, Gen Z. No. It's an emotion. Like,
Emotion.
yeah.
Fun. नहीं funny तो है ही.
Fun, fun hai, sincere hai, sab kuch hai. What is one
I
thing
said serious. It's not serious.
Casual. Casual is not an emotion, na? No. Casual.
I have
has
thing
got
to
the
say.
idea? Chalo batao.
Ma'am explained it in the starting, I think probably on
Yeah.
presentation number 9 or 8.
I
Given the
have
attitude thing,
used.
attitude example.
हाँ, मैंने क्या कहा था कि एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए. कितने एक्टिव लिसनर थे तुम लोग?
It recently clicked on my
All right,
mind, so
okay. Chalo, let me do. Okay. Alpha, you don't know anything about K drama. I have watched hundreds and I know everything about it. So please don't come up with your silly questions. Okay, I don't have the time to answer all these things. Come on.
Wait.
I know everything about it. You don't know even a thing.
Arrogance.
Arrogance.
Overconfidence.
Absolutely.
Yeah, arrogance.
Twinkle ma'am बहुत अच्छी Okay, so
millennial
self-awareness.
for a reason.
हाँ, वही तो वो बोल रहा था कि के ड्रामा के जो CEOs होते हैं, they come with that arrogance and all. वही तो वो बोल रहा था क्या? Okay, so self-awareness के लिए क्या क्या चीजें कर सकते हो? सबसे पहले open self which is known to you, जो तुम्हें अपने बारे में पता है. All right, blind self, जो कि तुम्हें नहीं पता है, दूसरों को पता है. जाकर पूछो लोगों से. What is one thing that you can tell me about myself? Okay? अब ऐसे राह चलते किसी से मत पूछना. Of course, the people who really knows you. Then comes the hidden self, which is known to you, but you have not shown it to others. Yes, Rudraksh.
We have got this activity to do.
Acha, okay. You
Like
must
ma'am
have done it
already
with
sent it.
SWOT and all, right? Yeah. So
Yes.
that is a thing. And unknown self, that is not known to everyone. This is actually going to help you in knowing yourself. It is going to polish your communication skills also. So with this, I am assuming that you must have done the SWOT analysis as well, right? SWOT analysis, right? This is also very, very important. And secondly, it is going to also give you the keywords in creating and curating your curriculum vitae. जो आप इसमें लिखोगे ना, उसी के वर्ड्स, उसी की vocabulary, उसी के action words आप अपने curriculum में डालना. Because that is how it is going to be genuine and authentic. So this is known as SWOT analysis, which is all about knowing yourself. Okay? All right, so this was all from my side. The key takeaways are peer support, NGOs, EQ is more important than IQ. क्यों मेरा बेटा? First of all, ये चीज याद रखना. If you ask me right now about K-dramas, I have zero knowledge. But आधे घंटे के लिए तुम मुझे chat GPT दे दो और उसके बाद आ जाओ. I'll be knowing everything about it. Okay, so जो तुमने महीनों से कलेक्ट कर रखा है, मेरे पास 30 minutes में आ जाएगा. So intelligence, knowledge is at the tap of your finger. But how to use it? How to use it sensibly, responsibly, emotionally. That is what emotional intelligence or the quotient is. Self-awareness is a superpower. Trust me, it is superpower. I know that I'm a people's person. That's why I have opted for being a teacher and a trainer. And working is always the stress buster for me. So I love what I do because I know myself. Okay? एंड अब आप सोचो एक इंट्रोवर्ट को तुमने सेल्स पर्सन बना दिया तो वो कितने कंप्यूटर बेच पाएगा एक दिन में. दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क, राइट? Knowing yourself is very, very important. But that introvert can be a coder, can be a person who is working from home, and he or she is going to do wonders in that field. That's why self-awareness is good. And you are already a change maker. I mean, hats off to Skillveda and Twinkle ma'am, that she has taken such beautiful step and initiative that you all are here and you are learning so many skills at this stage where a lot of expectations, apprehensions you are surrounded by. So you already have won the game. You have taken the toughest, the most difficult stepping stone, the first step of learning the skills and knowing yourself.
Taking initiative is very important nowadays.
Absolutely. So, yeah, it's a wrap up from my side. Yes.
Any questions from anyone?
Any questions, anything that you would like to ask? Let us stop the share.
And showing emotions is not weakness at all. Nowadays, people are thinking showing emotions is the way of weakness, but it's not like that actually.
दिखाओ अपना गुस्सा दिखाओ सामने वाले
गुस्सा हो, empathy हो, जो भी हो वो दिखाओ यार.
नहीं गुस्सा भी दिखाओ, मैं तो ये कह रही हूँ गुस्सा भी
हाँ नहीं वो तो but obviously it should be there.
No one should use you as a doormat. All right, you need to stand up for yourself. You need to tell them that those actions, those words have hurt you. They need to be careful. All right, no one should take you for granted.
People will take you as granted. There are lots of people who will take you as granted.
They are just going to use you and throw you. वो जो 2-2 रुपए के पेन नहीं आते हैं कि वो खत्म हुआ फिर उसमें refill नहीं भर सकते.
जब तक use होगा, they will use you and then they will say, okay, bye bye, tata, see you.
Please. So just stand
you have to take a stand for yourself.
Love yourself the most. The very first thing, love yourself.
Loving other person is secondary. First love yourself, then love other person.
Airplane में भी air hostess यही कहती है, at the time
Seat
of
belt,
COVID,
yes.
पहले अपने आप में ऑक्सीजन वो करो, फिर पड़ोस में चाहे वो तुम्हारी माँ हो, पापा हो, बेटा हो, बेटी हो, कोई भी हो. First of all, you need to save yourself. Once you have saved yourself, then only you will be able to do it.
Yes,
so,
definitely.
ऐसे भी आप वही चीज दूसरे को दे सकते हो जो आपके पास है. अगर you have self-respect, you can respect others. If you have self-love, you can love others. All right. So please, it starts with you. The maxim goes, charity begins at home. So you need to start with yourself. No one else will do it for you. Okay.
I think today's lecture is more than enough. We are done with.
Yeah. I didn't talk hours and hours.
We got many things to learn today, है ना Rudraksh, Arfa, Kumkum, Ishani,
Yes,
Satyam.
Thank you.
Thank
you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you everyone for joining us, and
Yeah.
keep smiling. Okay, keep smiling. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Thank you.